I was really stressing because the scale has only dropped 1.8 pounds and I have a lot of weight to lose. I weigh 192 pounds. So I was frustrated with that, but I saw little changes. And then when I took the last pick after 4 weeks, I was like, holy shit, I didn't realize that making changes, even though the scale's not moving, or I knew I was, but didn't really appreciate it. I have to stop focusing on the scale because I'm like a slave to that scale.
Miss Lisa, who's the baddie of the week, this was like a DM to me, and I woke up in the morning and I was like, holy fucking shit. She's probably like, oh my God, this girl's crazy. But I was like, this is great, right? This is a little over 4 weeks of progress.
Thank you. I felt really frustrated at first, and I really appreciated the support you and Denise gave me and everyone.
So Lisa and I had a nutrition consultation, and to help her, we talked about her macros and more specifics and things that she could change. And we also said, let's get our mind off of the scale. And we picked an outfit, right? We picked a dress that she likes, that she's not crazy about how it fits right now. And that was our goal. So after looking at these pictures, it is time to try on that dress again. I can't wait to see that. That's going to be amazing.
So she's doing strength training stuff, and she's also incorporating the nutrition stuff. So her body is morphing. She's dropping fat, she's gaining muscle, she's dropping inches. Clearly she's dropping inflammation too, you know, midsection inflammation, all that great stuff. So it's only going to get better.